next important concept is binomial theorem for negative integer or a fraction. Till now you have never heard that you can solve a binomial expression if the exponent is negative or in the fraction. So, now we are moving when the exponent is negative or it is in the fraction. Now, one very nice thing is that whenever it is in the fraction or in the negative exponent, then we are having infinite terms. Okay? So, the expression we are having, it is 1 plus x whole the power n. Now, here n is either a negative or a in fraction. Now, we are having 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial with x cube plus ad infinity or infiniton you can write it, and is less than 1. Now, this is the thing. Okay, we can't count the terms then when if it is in the negative or in the fraction. Now, whenever the exponent is a negative or in the fraction, then we have to keep some points in the mind, okay, so that solving a question may become easy for us. Now, what are the points to remember? Now, points to remember when n is negative or in fraction. Number 1, point number 1, it is the symbols NC0, NC1, NC2 all are meaningless. All are meaningless as they are not used, because here power becomes in negative or in the fraction. Point number 2, the expression contains infinite number of terms. This already I have told you. Now, number 3, the expression is valid only when x is numerically less than 1. Number 4, now here this is a very important thing, which last point I am writing. In the expression, if we are having a plus x whole the power n, then now here again n is negative or in the fraction, then what we have to do it? We have to first of all we have to take a common. When we are taking a common inside the bracket, then it means a raised to power n. Okay. So, inside is left 1 plus x upon a whole the power n, means one term always it should be 1. whenever we are getting exponent as a negative or in the fraction. This is the condition. Okay. So a raised to power n. Now this part 1 plus x a raised to power n if x upon a is less than 1 or negative of 1 x upon a positive of 1. This means what? X upon a lies in between negative of 1 and positive of 1. Or if the expression is in the form of a plus x raised to power n, and now we are taking x raised to power n as a common. Okay. So what we are left with? A upon x plus 1 raised to power n, or you can write it x raised to power n 1 plus a upon x. Condition same. Now here a upon x should be less than 1 or negative of 1 a upon x and positive of 1. This means again a upon x should lie in between minus 1 and 1. So if the exponent is in the negative or in the fraction, then expression will be expanded in this form till infinity, and we have to keep in mind few points that I have written below.